In this video, you will learn how to create a timeline chart in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have generated this timeline chart using this set of data. It is the data about the project management. First column shows the date and second column shows the activities of that particular project. Third column shows the position. There is no set rule to define these values, but the length of these lines depend on these values. For example, if I increase this value to 6, press enter. Now you can see here the length of this line is changed because we have changed this value. Again, I change this value to 4. Press enter. Now you can see here the length of this line is changed because we have changed the value of position. So you can adjust the length of these lines using these values. So let's start this tutorial without any further delay. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data. To save time, firstly I will select first and third column data without heading. Select this one. After selecting this one without heading, hold down Ctrl key and select third column. After selecting these values, go to Insert tab. And here you will find the option of Charts group. Under Chart groups, you will find the option of Insert column or bar chart. Select this one, and from here I will select Clustered column chart. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has plotted these values on this graph. There is another way to generate this graph. I will delete this one. Simply select any blank cell, go to Insert tab, and here you will find the option of Charts. Under Charts you will find the option of Insert column or bar chart, and from here I will select Clustered column chart. Click on this chart, and under Chart Design tab you will find the option of Select Data. Choose this option. A pop-up window will be appeared like this one. Here you will find the option of Legend Entries, and under Legend Entries you will find the option of Add. Click on this. In series name, left it blank, and in series values, remove existing data and select third column data without heading. Click on OK. Now under horizontal, click on Edit, and from here I will select dates values. You can see here I have selected all dates without heading. Click on OK. Again on OK. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has plotted the column first and column third data on this chart. Now we will conditionally format this graph. Firstly, you will learn how to change the title of this graph. Select this one. Put equal sign in formula bar. Select this cell and press enter. Now you can see here the title of this chart is changed now. There is another way you can also manually change this chart title. You can also format this chart title. Simply select this one, and under font group you will find different options. For example, I will bold it. I can change their color. Similarly, I can change the font size as well. Now I want to remove these grid lines. Click on this graph, and here you will find the option of chart element. Select this one. From here I will deselect grid lines. Now you can see here the grid lines are removed now. Now I want to remove these axes. Select this one. Again go to chart element option, and here you will find the option of axis. Select this one, and here you will find the option of arrow. Select this one. You will find two options, primary horizontal and primary vertical. I want to remove primary vertical, so I will deselect this one. Now you can see here the vertical axis is removed now. Now I want to insert data label. I will select this option. But instead of these data labels, I want to display the values of activity here. Select the data label. Now you can see here all data labels are selected. you can click on any data labels and the whole series will be selected. After that, place your cursor on these data labels and right click. Here you will find the option of format data labels. Select this one. Currently you can see here the Microsoft Excel display the values of data label in the form of these values. So I will deselect this one and I will select values from cell. A pop-up window will be appear like this one, and from here I want to display these values, so I will select these one. After selecting this, click on OK. Now you can see here the values of data labels are changed now. I will deselect show dotted lines and I will close this one. Now you can also format these data labels. Simply select this one and from font you can bold them and change their font color size. Now click on this horizontal axis, right click, go to format axis option. I will place it here. Go to fill a line option, select line option. From here I will choose solid line. I will select red color. Now adjust the width of this line. I will select 3 pt. Now if you scroll down you will find more options. Here is the option of end arrow type. Select this one and from here I will choose arrow sign and arrow sign will be inserted here. After that I will close this one. Now again click on this chart and go to chart element option. I want to insert error bars, so I will choose this option, which is the error bar. Select this one. From here go to this arrow sign. You will find further options. I will choose more options. From here select the direction, select minus. In end style select no cap. Now I will scroll down. Here you will find the option of percentage. Select this one and in percentage write 100%. After that go to fill a line option. From here I will choose solid line. Red color is already selected and width 2 pt. I will close this one. Now I want to hide these bars. Select this chart. Click on these bars. Click on any bar. Now you can see here all bars are selected. Place your cursor on any bar and right click. Here you will find the option of format data series. Choose this option. Go to fill and line option and from here you will find the option of fill. I will choose no fill. Scroll down and in border option select no line and close this one. Again click horizontal axis and from font group you can change the color and font size. Again click on this horizontal axis option, right click, go to format axis option and from here you will find the option of bounds and units. Under units measure unit 1, I will choose 2. Click here. Now you can see here Microsoft Excel has changed the horizontal axis values, and instead of all months, Microsoft Excel has displayed the month with the gap of 1 month. So by doing so, you can easily create a timeline chart in Microsoft Excel and conditionally format timeline chart according to your requirement. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.